Experience driving perfection in the 2012 Honda Fit. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback still has fewer than 40,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.